In this video, I'm going to show you how to view iCloud photos on your iPhone, and it should work on any iOS device. So right now I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this, and it should be very simple. So first of all, you want to open any browser, it doesn't matter which one. Right now I'm just going to use Safari, and then you want to search for iCloud.com. So type in iCloud.com. There you go. And then that should bring you over to the iCloud.com website where you can actually view your photos. So right now you probably need to sign in, or in some cases it might do this automatically. And as you can see right there, I actually need to sign in. So I'm going to do that right now, and then I'll get back to you once that's done. After you sign into your account, you will end up on this page where you can click on photos. So click on photos right there. And by doing that, you should actually be able to view iCloud photos on your iPhone. And this is updated in March 2020. So right now, I'm just going to click on Not Now. Now, as you can see right there, I recently deleted all my photos in my iCloud. But this is pretty much how you can view photos on your iCloud on your iPhone. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.